In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot like a CRM. By the end, you'll have the essentials in place to capture leads, manage deals, and keep your follow-ups organized without getting overwhelmed. Start by going to the HubSpot website, sign up using your email, then verify your account so you can access the tools. When prompted, add a few basic details like your business name, website, and industry. These help personalize your workspace and see default settings. So HubSpot shows you the most relevant features from the start. After you log in, take a quick tour of the main tabs. Contacts is where your people and companies live. Sales is where you'll track deals and revenue. Marketing is where you'll create forms to capture leads. Automation is where you set simple workflows. Don't overcomplicate this right now. Just get familiar with where things are. Next, add your first contacts. Go to Contacts, then Contacts. You can type in a few manually to get the feel, import a CSV if you already have a list, or plan to capture contacts via forms later. At a minimum, include the person's name, email, and phone. Keep your data clean and consistent so you can search and segment easily later. Now create a simple sales pipeline. Go to Sales, then Deals, and set stages like new lead, contacted, proposal sent, and close. Keep the stages few and clear so you always know where each opportunity stands. This structure becomes your visual funnel and helps you prioritize work. Inside each contact record, start tracking activities. Add notes after conversations, log calls, and track emails. Over time, this builds your CRM history so anyone on your team can see context and you never lose the thread of a relationship. Connect your email next. Go to Settings, then General, then Email, and connect Gmail or Outlook. This enables email tracking and lets you send messages directly from the CRM, so communications are logged automatically alongside each contact. Create a simple lead form to capture new contacts. Go to Marketing, then Forms, build a short form, and place it on your website or social profiles. New submissions flow straight into contacts, saving time and preventing copy-paste errors. Ask only for the essentials to boost conversion. Set up basic automation in Automation, then Workflows. A great start is, when a new contact is created, send a welcome email and assign a follow-up task. Keep it minimal until you see what works. Use tasks to stay on top of outreach. Set reminders and schedule calls so nothing slips. Finally, visit reports to track the number of leads, deals closed, and email performance. Use these insights to fine-tune your pipeline and follow-ups.